Hello, my name is Edward. Today I'm going to present my evidences. My evidence number two is my city sustainable. So first of all, we gotta see you choose a city that is Puebla, and we can see that Puebla has many sources like the solid waste management that is administered by the government and stored in landfills within the city. Also, the water sources that we have is like from the surface and the groundwater. An example could be Balsas. There's a river that we have in Puebla. Also, the weather. Typically, the weather is a little bit too humid with summer rain. And the factors of pollution could be all the industry like marble sector, mining, car manufacturing, metalworking, and chemistry sector. After, we can see other factors like mobility, that there are 676,872 cars in Puebla, and most common transportation methods are car, bus, subway, the ones from public. Also economics, the GDP is 713,641 millions of pesos current account. Also, the principal roles is car manufacturing, metalworking, chemistry sectors, plastics, textiles, furniture, and the percentage of unemployment is 2.93. Also, we have the social sector, that is the administration is leftist ideology headed by Miguel Barbosa. He's from Morena, and the main social issues exposed by millennial corruption, employment, and delinquency. The energy sources that Puebla has is natural gas, hydraulic, fossil fuels, geothermal, because we have a volcano, and wind power. Also, the population of Puebla State, is 6 millions, and in Puebla State, it is 1,692,181 in Puebla City. The statistics about the school attendance is between 3 and 5. The percentage of attendance is 69. Between 6 to 11 is 96. Between 12 to 14 is 89. This is provided by INEGI. And between 15 to 24 is 44.8%. The average level of education of the population is 15, 15 above is 9.2 years. That's related to the third grade of middle school. Okay, so we have the energy consumption calculations. What you have to see is the emission factor, as you can see. And in the way of energy consumption, you could have, that would be 453,045.6 tons of CO2 equivalent emission for the energy that Puebla produces with the emission factor considered. And from gasoline consumption, you also have like your emission factor conversion that is in megajoules, and the fuel that Puebla produces. That is 1,094,006 tons CO2 equivalent emission. Now that we can show the traffic lights also for the 8 factors that we saw from a sustainable city. We have urban productivity, that is a good progress, social inclusion, that is a good progress, social mobility, that is not that good, it's regular, and quality education is regular. Environmental sustainability, we are a little bit distant from the goal. Infrastructure, we're good, and environmental, we are really distant, so we have to keep pushing in that way. And the GDP per capita is regular, so nothing more. Okay, so the proposal that I propose is to create like one plan that we have about cars that they can drive one day and one day not, so we can reduce the contamination that the cars produce. That is like the most common ones from the traffic parkings. And also we can push new energy or renewable energy projects in Puebla. In scenario, we have like a lot of photovoltaic energy in a strategic position, so Puebla could be a good source. Also, we can see that in order to have a sustainability city is a little bit difficult. So we have to keep pushing in that way. And if everyone contributes with that goal, we can get a sustainable city. So thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for your attention.